Have you ever wondered if the way you write your TypeScript classes could be slowing down your application? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common concern about TypeScript class performance and how method wrapping might affect it. I totally get it. It can be frustrating to think that your code might be less efficient than it could be. Many developers have had similar thoughts, especially when they notice performance issues in their applications. Let's look at the specific question that sparked this discussion. One user asked if wrapping methods in TypeScript classes could lead to performance issues, especially when creating multiple instances of a class. They provided examples, comparing TypeScript's approach to a more traditional JavaScript method declaration. So, what's really happening under the hood? When you define methods inside a class in TypeScript, they are indeed wrapped with the object. This can lead to some overhead, especially if those methods are large and you're creating many instances. Let's break this down further. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share some tips on how to optimize your TypeScript code for better performance. To address the user's concern about performance in TypeScript, let's first clarify how methods are handled in classes. When the user creates a new object from a class, the methods defined on the prototype are not duplicated for each instance. Next, regarding the user's question about memory usage, when multiple instances of a class are created, they share the same methods. This means that the methods are not loaded into memory multiple times, which helps optimize performance. Now, let's discuss the performance implications of wrapping methods in TypeScript. The user is correct that defining methods outside the constructor can be more efficient, as it avoids unnecessary overhead during object creation. Finally, to answer the user's question about compiler work, TypeScript compiles down to JavaScript, and the way methods are defined does not significantly increase the compilation workload. The main focus should be on how methods are structured for runtime efficiency. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of JavaScript was created in just 10 days? Imagine how far we've come since then, with languages like TypeScript making our lives easier. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the closure in TypeScript classes is executed only once when the class is created. This is known as an immediately invoked function expression, or TUI. Therefore, there is no performance hit from this wrapping. They also mention that this pattern is common and helps encapsulate class definitions. Additionally, it ensures proper transpilation of classes, which are part of the ECMAScript standard. Here's a pro tip. If performance is a concern, consider defining your methods outside the class constructor. This way, they are shared across instances, reducing memory usage and improving performance. And there you have it. Understanding how TypeScript handles class methods can help you write more efficient code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and remember to keep optimizing your code.